This is week 2. Divisibility rules for 4, 8, 11, and 12 to find the common factors of numbers. From the previous lesson, you have learned that divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9 in finding the factors of large numbers. This time, you will learn the rules to determine if the number is divisible by 4, 8, 11, and 12. After going through this lesson, you are expected to use divisibility rules for 4, 8, 12, and 11 to find the common factors of numbers. The following table provides the divisibility rules for some whole numbers. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4 and number in two zeros. Example, 348. The last two digits is 48. 48 divided by 4 equals 12. Therefore, 348 is divisible by 4. 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits is divisible by 8 and number ending in three zeros. Example, 9,216. The last three digits is 216 divided by 8 equals 27. Therefore, 9,216 is divisible by 8. 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits in odd places and the sum of the digits in even places in either 0 or number divisible by 11. Example, 28,413. The sum of the digits in odd places, 2 plus 4 plus 3 equals 9. While the sum of the digits in even places, 8 plus 1 is also 9, and the difference is 0. Therefore, 28,413 is divisible by 11. 12. A number is divisible by 12 if any number that is divisible by both 3 and 4. Example, 7,980 is divisible by 3 and 4. As you can see, 7,980 divided by 3 equals 2,660. And 7,980 divided by 4 equals 1,995. Therefore, 7,980 is divisible by 3 and 4, and that is divisible by 12. Learning Task 1. The following numbers are divisible by 4, 8, 11, and 12. Try to finish the table by writing the numbers that are divisible by 4, 8, 11, and 12. 200 is divisible by 4. Another examples, 324, 408, 512. 104 is divisible by 8. I'll give you another examples, 3,032, 2,000, 5,008. 121 is divisible by 11. Another examples, 242, 6,127, 165. 36 is divisible by 12. Another example, 504, 900, 144. Learning Task 2. Put a check under the correct column by which the numbers are divisible. 88, that is divisible by 4, divisible by 8, and divisible by 11. 800, divisible by 4, divisible by 8. 368, divisible by 4, and divisible by 8. 1,440, divisible by 4, divisible by 8, and divisible by 12. 1,224, divisible by 4, divisible by 8, and divisible by 12. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits form a number that is divisible by 4. Also, numbers ending in 2 zeros are divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8. Also, a number ending in 3 zeros are also divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 12 if a number divisible by both 3 and 4. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places are equal or their difference is a multiple of 11. Learning Task 3. Fill in the largest unit digit to make them divisible by the numbers on the left. Number 1, divisible by 4. Number 2, divisible by 8. Number 3, divisible by 11. Number 4, divisible by 12. Number 5, divisible by 11.